Hi friends, welcome back to Scratch Skills. Well, in today's video, we will be knowing the things you need to know before starting HTML. Yeah, HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. So, in this video, we will be covering topics that are: what is HTML? Is HTML easy? And what's the application you will need so that you can code HTML? So, let's start. So what is HTML? HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is the code that is used to structure a web page and its content. So basically you have to code, and then you have to save it, and then you have to open it, and there you have it, your website. And it might sound simple and you might think it's hard, but it's the way around. I mean, it's not the way around, it's all simple. So it comes to a conclusion that HTML is super easy and super fun to do. And the last question, that what application that you will need to do in HTML. Surprisingly, you will just need Notepad. Yes, just Notepad. But there are many other applications like Atom, Notepad++, Sublime Text, Visual Studio Code, Coffee Cup, etc. But I'll be using Notepad. So that's it for today's video. If you liked it, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and click that like button. And if you have any queries, do comment down. I will be looking forward to it. So this is it for today's video, guys. Thank you, bye, and have a wonderful day ahead.